Hello guys, welcome to Rich Living Mastery YouTube channel where we create content to help you optimize three areas of your life: health, wealth, and relationships. This is Abhishek, founder and CEO of richlivingmastery.com. Now one day I was cleaning my room and I came across this amazing book. This one here, called The Magic Book by Rhonda Byrne, where Rhonda Byrne. Sorry about the name. If you're a dweller in personal development or law of attraction or that sort of stuff, you'd have realized by now that it's the same author who wrote The Secret, the infamous law of attraction book. However, this is a lot more practical, and this is something that I have tried. This book has given me results in the past, so I thought, you know what, I should do it again. Obviously, I decided that let me put this book to practical use and experiment with it. But this time, there's a small change. I thought, you know what, instead of me reaping the benefits alone, I thought I should get a group of people who I could form a group with, a no spam WhatsApp group with, and start this journey. And that's exactly what I did. I messaged rigorously to some people who I thought would join, and they joined. And they added a few more people, and they added a few more people. And from next day, the journey started. For 28 days, I gave them exercises, and we all did the exercises based on the book. Every single day for 28 days, we had new exercise based on gratitude, based on being thankful. And as we went through the journey, we started seeing differences. One thing that we noticed instantly was that things may not be working out for us at that particular moment of time. Life still was. One thing we realized was that a lot of things were actually working out for us in our favor, but we just weren't aware of it. As usual, we focus on the things that aren't there or that aren't working out instead of the things that really are. For example, if you're watching this video, guess what? Today morning, you made it. Many people did not wake up. You are alive for today, for now. And many people aren't. And we take this for granted. Similarly, if you are not worried about whether you're going to have food, instead you're worried about what food you're going to have because you're so confused with all those options out there, you are so far ahead than a lot of people. Because there are a lot of people right now in this world who are worried whether they're going to get to eat the next meal or not, where they're going to be getting the next meal from. That's what they are worried about. These exercises started bringing into our awareness the things that were already there, but we weren't focused. Now, at the end of 28 days, these are some of the results that other people had. This is one of the most ancient advice ever. Gratitude. This is something that our elders have been telling us. Be thankful for what you have. Be grateful for what you have. Be satisfied. Like satisfied came in sometime later, but have gratitude for what you already have. It is one of the oldest. The crazy part is science is beginning to look at this because there are a lot of trainers who push gratitude as a life improving tool, and it actually is. When it comes to science, for those of you who really believe that only if it comes from science it's true, otherwise it isn't, there was this research done by Harvard where three group of people went through this similar kind of a journey, and the ones who did these gratitude exercises, they reported something interesting. That interesting thing was they visited the doctors less often than they did before. The visits to doctor decreased. If that's not amazing, I don't know what is. And there have been many other studies like this one which shows how gratitude can actually help us improve our lives. Now, if you speak to people who have gratitude a part of their life, as a part of their life, you'll notice some common things. One of those common things is that they have improved mental health. Mental health being a big concern now. Gratitude is one of those things that shows to improve your mood, that shows to make you happy. So that is one difference we see. And because they are mentally healthy, they are more likely, or they take care of their body as well. If you're in a good mood, that has an effect on your physical health. Now, if you don't know that, there are researchers for this too. How your mood affects your physical body. Go check it out. There's some very, very interesting findings from that point of view as well. The third change was that they were more focused and productive. If you are in a good state of mind, if you are feeling healthy, feeling fit, feeling energetic, then obviously you focus becomes easy for you. Productivity becomes easy for you too. With all these things, people also started reporting one of the most interesting things that I have ever found. They started telling me that their relationship started to improve because they were taking their family or friends or partners a lot less for granted. They were actually valuing them. They were saying thank you. They were valuing for the things that they did, but they weren't able to notice. So relationships was another thing. But overall, what you need to understand is gratitude is one of those tools that can really, really improve many, many, many areas of your life: health, wealth, relationships, spirituality, etc. etc. I will not be giving 28 days of exercise that we did for you right now in this video. It's going to take a long time. However, I'm going to give you this one thing that really, really made a difference. One of them is that when you wake up in the morning, list 10 things that you are grateful for. Say thank you, feel thank you. It's not like going like, you know what, I'm thankful for this, thank you for this, thank you for this, thank you for this, thank you for this. Not like that. Relax, wake up. Thank you for my bed. Thank you for family. Thank you for the food that I have. Thank you for the opportunities that I have. Thank you for the opportunities that I've seen in the past that has helped improve. Thank you for my family. Thank you for my mentors. Thank you for my friends. Thank you for people who I learned from. This was just an example, but you get the point. List 10 things that you are grateful for. And before going to sleep, pick the best thing that happened that day and feel thankful for it. Say thank you and go to sleep. Now, all the positive effects that I've been telling you about will only be seen with extended periods of gratitude. If you do it for one day and leave it, you're going to have a small benefit of feeling good for a while. If you're not in the habit of feeling good, feeling happy, or focusing on the brighter things of life, then you are less likely going to hold on to that effect. So do it, be consistent, and do it for longer periods of time to actually see the benefits. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel like you learned something, subscribe, leave a like, and comment if you have any suggestions for my next video. Goodbye.